determine A and C in this right angle triangle. I can use the rules from a right angle triangle. So let's try, we don't know A, so I could do a tangent, or I could do a sine. Let's do sine first because it'll get me opposite to C. So let's go sine of 32 degrees is equal to opposite of the angle. Remember, it's always of the angle. So the angle's over here. The opposite will be 8 divided by hypotenuse, which is C. Okay, now we can multiply by C. And then divide by sine 32, but we will leave that for the next step. This will be sine of 32 degrees is equal to 8. That doesn't help us out because we're trying to solve for C. So let's divide both sides of the equations by sine of 32 degrees. Divide this side of the equation by sine of 32 degrees. And now we can solve for C directly. So C is going to be equal to 8 divided by sine of 32. Make sure you're in degrees. 8 divided by sine of 32 equals 15.1. Next one, we have to solve for A. We could use tangent again. Now we could use cosine because now we know what C is, but because it's a rounded number, I just want to be more precise. Let's use tangent. So tangent of 32 degrees is equal to opposite 8 over adjacent, which is A. And we're going to do the same kind of math as we did here. We're going to try to solve for A here. So we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by A first. And then we're going to divide both sides of the equation by tan 32. So this A cancels with this A. Tan 32 cancels with tan 32. And at the end of the day, we're going to be left with A on this side and 8 divided by tan 32 on this side, which is going to be equal to 8 divided by tan 32, not 23, 32. 12.8.